Series Circuits
by Rhys Roberts
and Stephanie Huisman, Period 4. You're probably wondering what a series circuit actually is.
A series circuit, quite simply put, is a circuit that follows one path, starting at the positive end of a battery, going around one path, going through multiple resistors, or only one, depending on how many resistors are needed, and ending up back at the negative end of the battery. If there are levers in the circuit, then they must both be in the on position for the current to flow completely round, and if only one of them is open, then the circuit cannot be followed. A circuit does not need to be a perfect circle. It can be in any shape, just so long as it starts at positive and goes all the way around to the negative, following only one possible path.
What would happen if multiple lights were put in a series circuit and one of the lights burnt out?
Well,
if one of the lights burnt out, all of the lights would turn off, because the current can no longer travel to all of the lights. The current needs to make a complete rotation around the circuit, starting and ending at the battery. If one of the lights is burnt out, it cannot make a complete circle, preventing the lights to be lit.
the formula used is called Ohm's law, which states V equals IR, which means voltage equals current times resistance.
Now, let's practice. Two resistors of 9 ohms and 4 ohms are connected in a series across of a 6-volt battery. What is the current and how many volts are lost at each resistor?
In order to solve the problem, you draw a diagram to help visualize the problem. Then, next to the battery, you write 6V, and next to one resistor, 9 ohms, and next to the other, 4 ohms. Since it is a series circuit, you add up the two resistors to get 13 ohms. From there, you take 6 and divide it by 13. This gives you the current of 0.46. From there, you times 0.46 by 9, which gives you 4.15. You then take 6 and subtract the answer you just got to get 1.85. This means that the current is 0.46, resistor 1 takes 4.15 volts, and resistor 2 takes the remaining 1.85 volts.
What happens when multiple lights are placed within a series circuit? When adding multiple lights to a series circuit, it causes the light to become dimmer. The more lights added to the circuit, the dimmer they will be, because the voltage gets used up more and more each time a new bulb is added onto the circuit. And that is Series Circuits with Stephanie Huisman and Rhys Roberts.